Tidal Loans came highly recommended from a friend that I did the house for about 7 years ago, and he had nothing but good things to say about you guys.
Also, during the research on who to choose for our funding, the competitors I found weren't quite as transparent as Tidal Loans was. Tidal Loans has helped with our real estate goals by just being very transparent. Their communication is wonderful. They're just a text away, a phone call away. They've helped us with the scheduling, also giving us a lot of subcontractor contacts.
Even though I have a lot of experience in the construction industry, their experience is a lot broader, and they've been able to help us.
During the process, before we even made a deal, they helped us analyze the deal to make sure that this was going to be a good suit. Tidal Loans will be the first person that we call on our next deal.